In this video, I'll show you how to self-host n8n for free using Docker. Let's dive in. First, go to the Docker desktop website. You can find the link in the description below. Then go to the download Docker desktop version and choose the version which is right for you. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it. After the install, you'll probably have to restart your machine. And if you're on Windows, make sure you enable WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux if you're asked. After the install on Windows, double-click the Docker desktop icon to launch it. Accept the service agreement when you're ready, and we'll skip making an account. Now, go down to your taskbar and click on the Start menu. Type in CMD and then click on Command Prompt. Then type this exactly, all lowercase, docker space volume space create space n8n_ data. Then press the Enter key. If it was successful, you should just see n8n data. Here's the next command. By the way, both of these you can copy from the description. Press Enter again. And after a few moments, your Docker should be started. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means you can copy and paste this link into a new browser window to access n8n. Then create your account and I'll see you on the dashboard. From here, you can create your first automation by clicking Create Workflow in the top right. Now you're ready to start using n8n for free. If this video helped you out, give us a like. And if you want to learn more about how to use n8n, check out this video to learn how to use it to build an AI agent. I'm David, and I'll see you in the next video.